Seeing missiles hit residential buildings doesn't sit right, regardless of who it is doing the shooting or who's being killed. However, for this video, I'll be discussing a scenario in which Russia decided to invade the United States instead of Ukraine. I'm not going to be including nuclear attacks in this video, as that would probably result in a tie. First of all, we really need to understand just how close Russia and the United States are. I mean, Russia's literally right there. American maps are made in such a way that draws America on the far left side and Russia on the far right side. This was done intentionally to deceive Americans into feeling safe and feeling like Russia is on the other side of the map, but that's not the case. If Russia were to try to invade, they may try to attempt to go through Alaska first. Alaska has a relatively low population, but there is a strong military presence there and the landscape is incredibly rugged. If they tried to enter in through Cali, it would be similar to D-Day, only with troops climbing up jagged cliffs instead of a flat beach. Russia would likely have to suffer enormous losses just to get infantry past the coastline. Attacking from Mexico would also be tough. Although some illegal immigrants get through, it's mainly because it's a matter of individuals, not an entire army. Even in the event that Russia were to try at large scale, US forces would be set up all over the Rio Grande River, which serves as a natural barrier for protection. Russia's best bet would be to cut through Canada's western border and then head into the United States from above, into a state like North Dakota. This area of the United States has a topography that isn't as jagged as the west coast and also isn't as populated as the east coast. But because of that, Russia would be surrounded on three sides. To the south of that lies Colorado, which is a military powerhouse, and then to the east is where the United States population mostly lies. And once Russia gets near civilians, that's when the real challenge for them would begin. The United States has the most guns per capita out of any nation in the world, and they're not afraid to use them. Millions and millions of militiamen would be ready to die for their lands. And not to mention the United States military itself, which is its own monster. If Russia were to try, it would be incredibly difficult, and I doubt they would be able to pull it off. If you guys enjoy videos like this, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe because I upload all the time.